Okay, let's continue, math. If you remember yesterday, we talked about adding whole numbers. Adding whole numbers on page number 27, we already worked on this, but I'm going to review. This is important. Don't forget, when we are adding two, like this, we are adding 374 plus 86,051. We need to replace or regroup according to where they are located. Ones under one, so 4 is going to be up or number 1 under the 4 because they are the ones. 7 and 5 are on the tens. 3 and 0 on the hundreds. We write a comma because we start a new period that is the thousands. 0 and 6, they are thousands. 7 and 8, they are the 10,000s, and the 5 is on the 100,000s. So once we have this, the numbers located, we can, according to the place value chart, we can start adding. We start adding with the number that are on the right side. So we start with the ones. 4 plus 1, we write that it's number 5. 7 plus 5, it's number 12. So we write the 2, we regroup the 2 as 2 tens and 1 in the hundreds. So we have 3 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 4. We write the comma and we continue. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Since it's 15, it's more than 10, I'm going to regroup again. I'm going to write 5 10,000s, and 1 is going to be on the 100,000. So I'm going to have 5 plus 1 is going to be 6 here. 656,425. Also yesterday we talked about how can we round or estimate the numbers. If you remember here we have this amount 2,717. We can round to the nearest thousand. Which number is on the thousand? Remember the number that is on the thousand is this one. Number 2, this number 2, it's on the thousands. So number 2, I'm going to round this number 2, and this is going to become, number 2 is going to become 3. Why it becomes 3,000 this? If you notice the next number that is number 2, it's 7. 7 is more than 5.
Los de abajo con los de arriba.
Yes, 7 is more than 5. Since 7 is more than 5, I'm going to round or to add 1 to my thousand. So 2 is going to become 3, and I'm going to have 3,000. Now, if I round the nearest 100, this number, that is the number 2 again, this, I'm going to round to the nearest 100. Number 2, it's followed by this 2. So it means that this 200 is going to become 222. It's going to become which number, class? It's going to become 200. Why 200? Because number 2 that follows this number 2, it's less than 5. And if it's less than 5, number 2 is going to be 10. It's going to stay number 2. Then we add, what's the answer of this addition? 3,000 plus 200. What's the answer, class? 3,000 plus 200.
3,200.
That's right, 3,200. That's the answer of the addition. Excellent. That's when we are rounding the numbers, or we're estimating. And then we have to add here, find the sum. Yesterday we worked on this. Okay, now, did you finish to complete this addition? You find the addition, class? What was the answer of this? 738. I think yesterday was Sian that told me the answer. She have the correct answer, but I want to be sure that all of you worked. So let's see who else wants to share the total of this addition. Who finished? Who find the answer for this addition? And remember, I have to say in English the number. Santiago Chavez, what is the answer that you got from this addition, Santiago Chavez? Which number you add first? Which number you add first? Santiago, 7 plus 1 or 1 plus 9? We have to add first. The 1 plus 9, right? We add this first. What is the answer? 1 plus 9.
10.
10. So we write 0 and we copy the 1. We regroup the 1 on the 10s. Excellent, Santiago. Now, Santiago, we have 1 plus 0 plus 8.
And then you talk about how he is your pet.
What's the answer for this 10? 1 plus 0 plus 8.
8.
8? Are you sure that it's 8?
0.
No, it's not 0. Marcelo?
Nine.
It's
1.
9. That's right. It's
9.
9. We have 1 plus 0 plus 8. It's equal 9. Excellent. We go to the next one. That it's 9 plus 3.
Animals. Okay. Now I know that when you guys were
9
younger,
plus 3.
you probably talked about vertebrates and invertebrates. And
Who knows the answer of 9 plus 3?
I'm very fond.
Diane, Rosa, Lucia?
They're fun.
12. That's right. We're going to write number 2 here. And we regroup the ones on the thousands. But we remember, we have to write the comma because we start a new period. We write the comma. Now, 8, Santiago Chavez, 8 plus 1 plus 2.
Classified. Guys are gonna find this on page 824. And the object
We're adding this.
11.
discover to talk about vertebrates. Okay. Remember that animals are divided in vertebrates.
That's right, Marcelo.
1.
11, that's right. 11. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. So we write 1 here from the 11 and the other we're going to regroup on the 10,000. Now, what we're going to add? 1 plus 3 plus 6. What's the answer?
9.
9?
10.
10.
10.
10, that's right. Don't forget that we need to add the 1 that we are adding.
0 and the 1. Arriba.
On the 100,000, Marcelo. It's going to be up of the 100,000. Excellent. Now, Camila, 7 plus 1 plus 1.
What's 7 plus 1 plus 1?
9.
9.
It's 9. That's right. 9. Now, 900. How do you read this number now that we have completed?
901, 290.
Excellent. 900, 1,290. That's the way that we read it. Excellent, excellent. Now let's go to the next page, page number 29. That is the work that we're going to work today. Now we're going to add, class. We're going to add all these additions that are in page number 29. If we don't finish in class, you finish and take a picture and upload it to school. We're going to try to finish in class, but if we don't finish, remember, you finish at home and then you take a picture and upload it to school. Yes? Now, number 1, Rebecca, tell me.
In this and all that this exercise has an up estimate.
Estimate, that's right. Estimate. What does it mean, estimate? Marcelo.
To participate.
Yes, you're going to participate. Just let me explain this. What is estimate? Estimate, well, this topic, we haven't seen this topic. We're going to try to do it. I'm going to help you with this.
Oh, si puedo
Estimate
participar.
is the one, yes. Estimate, remember, is when we are finding like the total. So we estimate. Instead of having 72,000, we're going to have 70,000 plus 20. 70 plus 20. What's the answer of 70 plus 20, class?
Ponemos
70 plus 20. What's the answer of this? 70 plus
No.
20.
900.
90, that's right.
No, no,
So
90.
let me erase this. Okay, 90. So let's write an estimation. It's going to be the answer like 90,000. 90,000. That's the estimate. Don't worry about this topic of estimate. The important is that we can add. Now let's see if the answer is like 90,000 or close to this number. 1 plus 3, Marcelo. It's 4, that's right. So we write number 4 here and we continue with the next number. 3 plus 6.
2 por 6.
9.
9, that's right, Camila. It's 9, so we write number 9. 9 plus 5.
14.
14, excellent.
1 in
14.
the 9
Mhm.
and the 4 and low.
Down is going to be number 4 under the hundreds, and 1 is going to be on the thousands. Excellent. Now we have to add 2 plus 8 plus 1.
10.
11. 11. If you say 10, is you are not adding the 1. Now we write number 1 and the one that we recruit. 7 plus 1 plus 1.
9.
9. How do you read this number?
91.
91,000. 494. Excellent. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Now we're going to add. Remember, we start with the ones. Rebecca, 8 plus 6. Rebecca, 8 plus 6.
I'm not sure, but for 14.
14. Okay, 14.
14.
We write number 4 and out we write number 1. Excellent. Now, Alberto, 6 plus 7 plus 1, Alberto. 6 plus 7 plus 1.
14.
Use your fingers. Remember, we have 6 now. Then we start continuing with the
14.
7 and 1.
14.
Yes, 14.
14.
It's 14. That's right. 14. Now, let's give the chance to Alberto. Alberto. Now, again for you, Alberto. 14, we write 4 and up 1. Alberto, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 6. Excellent. So we write number 6 and remember that we
It's
need
really
to write the comma. Excellent. Now let's give the chance to Gabriela Gigurems. 2 plus 9, Gabriela. 2 plus 9.
2 plus 9 is equal to
11.
11.
11. Excellent, Gabriela. We write 1 and regroup the other one. Now, the next one, we are going to add Anna. 3 plus 1, Anna.
3 plus 3 plus
7.
Plus 1, Anna.
7.
plus 1.
Marcelo.
7.
Mhm.
Porque 3 más 3 es 6.
7. That's right.
Más
That's
uno,
right. It's
7.
7. Santiago Hernandez. 4 plus 2. Santiago Hernandez. 4 plus 2.
6. 6.
6 and 2, it's 6. That's right, 6. Now, how do you read this number in English, the complete number?
600.
600. Mhm.
671,644.
Excellent. That's right, Gabriela. 671,644. Excellent.
Excellent. ¿Qué tenemos que poner?
That's the
Teacher,
answer. An estimate.
let's
Oh,
do
we
an
forgot the estimate. Now, let's see here. On the estimate, if you can notice in the first one, we write 90,000. We were close, right? 91,000 is close to 90. In estimate,
está
okay,
fácil.
the estimate was 600. I forgot to write 600. We were close to
está
600.
fácil.
It's easy. Yes, we're going to continue working. Now, in estimate for the next one, we have 64 and 38. It's going to be 60 plus 40. What's the answer of 60 plus 40? What? 60 plus 40.
60 plus 40.
Mhm.
90.
It's 90.
90.
Okay. The estimate can be
90.
90,000.
900.
Okay, let's put 100,000. 100,000. I think that it's going to be like 100,000 the answer. Now, we're going to continue. 5 plus 2. Remember that we start with this one, with the ones. 5 plus 2. Hermes, 5 plus 2.
7.
7. Hermes, 0 plus 7.
7.
7.
Excellent, excellent. Santiago Chavez. Are you working, Santiago Chavez? Yes. Lucia, 5 plus 9. Lucia.
14.
4.
14.
14. We write number 4, and the 1 is going to be regrouped, right? We're going to regroup the number 1 on that 1,000. Rosa, 4 plus 1 plus 8.
30.
30 or 13?
13.
13, that's right. We write number 3 and we regroup the 1 on the 10,000. Now, Mia Valentina, we have 6 plus 1 plus 3. 6
Yes,
plus-
miss.
What's the answer for 6 plus 1 plus 3?
Hey,
Shut up. No,
Just
no me
give
ayuden,
the-
no me ayuden. Yo tengo que saber porque si no, no estoy aprendiendo nada, ¿verdad, Miss?
Yes, she has to know the answer, Mia. You can use your fingers if you don't know the answer.
Yes. A eso voy a hacer.
Mhm.
right.
10.
Excellent. 10. So we write the 10. Why we write the 10? We don't have no more numbers to add, so we write 10 here.
Yes.
So we have, how do you read this number? How do you read this number? The complete number.
10,003.
147.
147.
No, how do you read this number?
103,000. 103,047.
Why you say 47? Why you say 47? Remember, 100 because it's 100, 3,000, 477. Some of you say that. I listen. Some girls were saying the correct answer, but it's not 47. It's 477. Now let's find this one. This one, we are going to find this answer now. Let's see here. The estimate, we're going to write 800 plus 100. What's the answer of 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1.
900.
Yes, so we're going to say
9,000.
900,000. That's going to be the estimate. Now, Danny, what's the answer of 6 plus 3, Danny?
9.
Mm-hmm.
Miss, I have a question.
9. Colette, 3 plus 9, Khaled.
3 plus 9.
12. ¿Cómo se dice?
No, it's not a Spanish class. This is English class.
12.
In English.
12.
It's 12. We write number 2 and the
Yeah,
1 we
but the
regroup
12,
on the
yes.
hundreds. Now,
Dice bien, Luis.
yes. Isabella, 1 plus 1 plus 1.
3. 3.
Mhm.
3.
It's 3. That's right. We write the comma. Joshua, what's the answer of 9 plus 0, Joshua?
0.
Is 9.
9, that's right. 9 plus 0 is 9. You are adding anything, so you continue having 9. Valerie, 3 plus 2. Everybody listen, just Valerie. 3 plus 2, Valerie.
5.
I have a question.
5.
Okay, hold on. The question after Valerie. Valerie is going to give me the answer, and then you ask me the question, Khaled. 3 plus 2, Valerie.
5.
Excellent. It's 5. Khaled, what's your question?
I have my camera
9.
off,
Mhm.
but my
9.
internet.
For your intern. Don't worry, Khaled. Okay. Now, how do you read this number? How do you read this number, class?
9.
329.
3,000. Are you sure the number 3 on the thousand?
300.
329.
905.
No. 900.
959,329.
300. Excellent. You're getting better. 959,329. Excellent. Excellent. Now, if you see the estimate, it's close to this number. It's close. Now, let's find the other one, the number 6. Remember, if we don't finish on class, you finish and you finish this all the page and you send the picture to school, okay? If we don't finish on class. Now, 186 plus 88. We're supposed to have 200 and 100. What's the answer of 200 plus 1 with 90? No, with 200 with 90. Okay, I'm going to write here. The estimate can be 900, 290. Okay, this one. Now, the estimate, we're not going to make emphasis on that. Important is that you learn how to add. Now, 1 plus 1 class, that's too easy. What's the answer? 2, that's right. 2 is the answer. Andrea Nunez, 3 plus 4, Andrea Nunez. 3 plus 4.
7.
7.
It's 7, that's right. So we continue. Okay, now let's
11.
see. Santiago Hernandez, 2 plus 9. Then Rebecca, 2
11.
plus 9, Santiago Hernandez.
11.
11, we write 1 and we regroup the other on the thousands. Rebecca, what's the answer for the next digits? 8 plus 6 plus 1.
50.
50 or 15?
16.
16? Sorry, 6.
No, it's 15.
15, that's right. Number 5, it's going to be 15. We write 5 and we add 1. Sijan, 8 plus 1, Sijan. 17. We write number 7 and we do not forget to write the 1 there. Lucia, 1 plus 1, Lucia.
2.
It's 2. Now, how do you read this number, class? In English, everybody, try to read in English.
272.
Excellent, Gabriela. Okay, Rosa, how do you read this number, Rosa?
I think that is 2075, 172.
You almost. Now, let's see, Lucia, how do you read this number?
275,172.
Excellent. 200. It's not 2,000. 275,172. Excellent, class. Now let's go and find the last one. This page number 7. The estimate. Okay, don't worry. We're going to write 900 here. 900,000. Now, find the answer for this addition. I'm not going to help you. You're going to tell me the answer. I'm not going to help you. You're going to tell me the answer in English, the complete number, the whole number. Valerie, tell me, you have any question or you have the answer?
I have the answer.
You have the answer? Okay, tell me. Read in English the number that you got.
Okay, I don't.
No, you have to read it in English. You have to try. Try it. Don't worry. If you make mistake, don't worry.
Esta la hacemos nosotros solos.
Yes, you have to do it by yourself. The rest of the exercises, do it by yourself.
Ay, no me puedo salir.
No.
Sorry.
Okay, who has the answer? I think that Valerie, oh yes, she's here. I think that she did.
1201.
No. How do you read the
Zero.
number? The complete one. 900. Valerie, 900.
My internet is wrong in this moment.
It's not working, bro.
It's not working.
Miss, I know the answer.
Okay, Isabella, tell me the answer.
One,
¿Qué la sé?
113,101.
913,101. You say it. Excellent, Isabella. That's the answer, class. Did you get that answer,
Teacher, no
Marcela?
hate.
Yes, that's
No?
the answer that I have.
Yes,
This is my answer.
Joshua? Use
This
your
answer.
answer.
This is my answer.
Your answer. Put a check. Marcelo, it's not your answer. Remember, 7 plus 1 is 8, but we are adding one more from here, so it's
finished.
9.
Ah,
Yes. You finished? You finished? You finished? All the page? Okay, okay. You finished, class? Excellent. Now, remember, you have to finish to work all the page, and you are going to take a picture and upload it to Schoology. Take a picture and upload it to Schoology, class.
Me.
That page you have to add. There are like 4 or 5 exercises more that you have to
I
add.
have a question.
Bye-bye, class.
Miss, I have a question.
Tell me, what's your question?
Teacher, ¿me
Faltan
puedo
más in this page.
Sorry, Rebecca?
In this page, faltan más es exercise.
Yes, you're going to do it by yourself. You're going to add, take a picture and upload it.
And the last part,
Yes.
the exercise number 11.
11, 12, try to do it. And then next class, we're going to check. Tomorrow, we're going to check. But try to do it by
Bye.
yourself. Bye-bye, class.
Okay.